This is the feature economic developers fall in love with. Reports that used to take days, pulled together from a dozen spreadsheets, now take minutes. Wow. You know the usual process. Pull charts from one place, tables from another, maps from somewhere else, then spend days formatting everything into a document. Report Studio turns that into a guided workflow. Start from a template, like a full economic overview or an investor-focused investment profile, or build your own. Tick the sections you want: population, workforce, housing, industry, or maps. The map sections are especially useful. You can add neighborhood-level maps showing a selected demographic, workforce, or housing indicator, then overlay business counts by 2-digit or 4-digit NAICS codes. That means your report does more than list numbers. It shows where the opportunity is, where people live, where talent is concentrated, where businesses cluster, and how your community compares. Choose your format: PDF, Word, or PowerPoint, or even raw Excel, and generate. Citaviz builds the report in the background and emails you when it's ready, so you can keep working. Out comes a polished, fully branded document that is ready for counsel, an investor, a grant application, a board meeting, or an internal briefing. 5 minutes of work instead of 5 days. That's the difference between data you have and data you can actually use.